Remedy for snoring. Yes, a remedy for snoring is cardamom. Cardamom seeds or cardamom powder. Here is the cardamom. Yes, that is the cardamom. That is the cardamom seed and powder. Cardamom is a decongestant. It works so well in decongesting your nasal passages. Mapua, okay? Clearing the air or the airways, so that your nasal passage, yeah, can be clear. Once it clears, you automatically stop snoring. Take a pot, put 2 glasses of water or 1 glass of water according to the amount you want to use. Then take cardamom. You can take 4 pieces of cardamom seeds, or you can take 1.5 tablespoons of the powdered cardamom, and then mix with water, bring it to boil. Then after boiling it, put a little pinch of pepper, black pepper, a little pinch of black pepper, and then put 1 tablespoon of honey. Are we together, my people? Bring a pot or bring water to boil. 1 glass or 2 glasses of water. Yeah? Let it boil together with 1.5 tablespoon of cardamom powder. If you are using the seeds, you crush 4 seeds, then put them in that water, let them boil for about 10 minutes, and then add a pinch of black pepper, or you can put black pepper, or you can put cayenne pepper, and then put 1 tablespoon of honey. Yeah, honey is also anti-inflammatory property that will help to help in inflamed airway, or help in inflamed nasal passages. Are we together? Yes, then drink it 30 minutes before going to bed. 30 minutes before going to bed can bring results. Yeah? I hope I've helped you, my sister, and welcome.